Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 38 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Quick review first. 重点 key point. 知道 known. 真的 real. 操作 handle. 随机 random. 变化 change. Follow me to learn boss, 秘书, 职员 in Chinese characters. Boss, 老板 Miss Boss, you are fired, said the boss. 老板说你被解雇了。老板boss 老板木字旁老板 boss Next one 秘书秘书 secretary 秘书秘书 secretary. Third one 职员office clerk职员之员口 and 被职员 office clerk老板 boss 秘书 secretary 职员 office clerk. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.